Between numbers. The number between two numbers are called between numbers. First one. The number between 5 and 7 is 6. The number between 16 and 18 is 17. C. The number between 23 and 25 is 24. D. The number between 37 and 39 is 38. E. The number between 54 and 56 is 55. F. The number between 48 and 50 is 49. G. The number between 62 and 64 is 63. H. The number between 77 and 79 is 78. I. The number between 85 and 87 is 86. J. The number between 98 and 100 is 99. K. The number between 15 and 17 is 16. L. The number between 21 and 23 is 22. M. The number between 37 and 39 is 38. J. The number between 48 and 50 is 49. O. The number between 69 and 71 is 70. P. The number between 10 and 12 is 11. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.